Hello lovely people, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of woodworking and exploring some fantastic ideas to incorporate beautiful wooden furniture into your bedroom decor. Whether you are a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just looking for some inspiration, you are in the right place. Wood is timeless, versatile, and adds a touch of natural warmth to any space. Let's kick things off with our first idea, DIY wooden bed frames. Crafting your bed frame not only allows you to customize it to your preferences but also adds a unique touch to your bedroom. Now let's discuss wooden coffee tables. A well-crafted wooden coffee table not only provides a functional surface for drinks and snacks but also serves as a stylish focal point in your living room. Moving on to our next idea, wooden console tables. These versatile pieces are perfect for adding style and functionality to your entryway, hallway or living room. You can choose from a variety of wood types such as oak, pine or walnut. You can opt for simple designs with clean lines for a modern look or choose more intricate designs for a rustic or vintage vibe. Consider adding drawers or shelves for extra storage and organization. You can choose from various designs, from sleek and modern to vintage and distressed. Consider adding decorative hardware or embellishments. Personalize your dresser and make it truly one of a kind. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Until next time, happy decorating.